How to add a song in Magic Tiles 3. So if you want to add a song in Magic Tiles 3, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have the application. Now after installing the application, open up your Magic Tiles 3 and you will get this kind of interface, right? So if you want to add a song in Magic Tiles 3, then what you need to do is just simply scroll down and then find the song that you would like to add. Or you can also just simply go with download, which will be on the right side, and it will be downloaded. Or just simply go with discover, which will be on the bottom right. You'll have a big search icon, and here you just need to simply go and search for the song that you would like to add. Like for example, I'll just simply go with this one, Blinding Lights, right here. It will just download the song data and you'll be able to play with that song. You can just simply go with start, which will be on the bottom, and that's it. That's how you can add a song in Magic Tiles 3, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.